Okay, I'm going to show you how to thrum. So we're gonna knit the next stitch in my work, and then the next one after that is a thrum stitch. So I'm gonna insert my needle one stitch below the stitch on my left needle. I'm gonna take a thrum, wrap it around as if I'm gonna knit it, then pull it through. Then I'm gonna knit the next stitch like normal, and then I'll pass the thrum over the stitch I just knit. Then I'm going to knit the next stitch, and then I'm going to thrum again. Just show you one more time. And that is how you knit thrums into your work. As you can see,